Greetings and hello, Tony Coleman Brown here. And in this video, what I want to show you is how to actually set up a dedicated header for your emails. In the past with Go High Level and Optimize Pro, which is powered by Go High Level, if you had a sub account and you were to send emails, if you didn't set up your dedicated email and name, then when you sent an email, it automatically would include the name and email of the agency owner and not the sub account owner. So now in this video, Go High Level changed everything around, and pretty much now when you connect domains, now you see this section here that says dedicated header. So basically what you can do is come over here to the three dots, and basically you click on the set headers, and this is where you can set a name and an email that will actually be the name and email that all of your emails will come from. So definitely this is a step that you do not want to miss. You want to make sure that you do that, and you want to make sure that you do that every time you set up a dedicated domain, so that if you're sending emails, from that dedicated domain in some way, form, or fashion, you want to make sure that you include a dedicated header, a dedicated name, and a dedicated email, so that when you're sending out emails and the system sends out emails, that it will come from the right person. So that's really it. That's all I wanted to share in this video. If you have any issues where you're sending out any emails and the emails are coming from the agency owner and they're not coming from the sub account, then maybe what you want to do is go into the sub account and make sure that you click on the three dots and you scroll down to set the headers. So this is something, if you have a bunch of sub accounts and you have a bunch of clients and they haven't done that, this may be something that you might want to go ahead and hop into their sub accounts and look at their domains and make sure that this is set up for them, so that all of their emails will come from the right person. Okay, so that's it for me today. This is Tony Coleman Brown. This is a short and sweet video, and hopefully you guys will get a lot out of it. All right, take care, and I'll see you on the next video.